So here's how we can back up contacts to Gmail on a Samsung phone. And let's get started. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So on your Samsung phone, you open up the contacts. You might be using different types of apps, but I like to use the Samsung contacts. And in there, what I have the ability to do is to tap on more options right there, then proceed to manage contacts as such. And when I click on move, what is going to happen is that I have the ability to just move the contacts which are, for example, stored locally in my phone, or those which are attached to different accounts. So as you can see, I have a couple of accounts, either Google or Samsung, and I can decide that those contacts are going to be moved over to a different place. So if I select those stored on the phone, I'm going to select all of them, right? And then I will have the ability to move them over into a different place. In my case, I can move it to the different Google accounts which I'm signed in right here. So I can decide that I basically move my locally stored contacts to the Google contacts. So I move them over or upload them, back them up to the Gmail account right there. If you don't see your Gmail account, just make sure you come back to the main original page right here of your contacts, and you just want to make sure that you are signed in with all of the accounts right there. So you will have the ability to manage your accounts in here, and you can essentially set up a new account if you would want to do that. But I hope it helps. I was hopefully able to help you out and guide you through it. If you found this video helpful, just let me know about it below, either by hitting the thumbs up or subscribing so you don't miss future uploads either, and I'll see you later.